Hello there. Once again, welcome back to Get Data Solution. We have been discussing topics under data quality assessment. So here in today's topic, we'll see a data quality assessment final action plan for data quality improvement. So we'll fill here the organization and the program or project name, the date of data quality assessment. We'll fill here, and then we will set up an action point. So the action points will come directly from our previous findings. Let's go and see some of our findings from the previous works. So from the first one is report verification. So when you see report verification, completeness is good, but there is an improvement. There is a need to improve on timeliness and availability. So what was missing on that? Let's further deep dive to it and see it. Here we have 4 expected report. One report was not available, so that's one gap. In terms of timeliness, uh, in terms of timeliness, 2 report was on time out of the 3 available reports. So there is a timeliness report. So our action point can be like um, improve timeliness, like for example stick to reporting schedule, something like that. Who is responsible for that? Mr. X, we can say. We have to name it. Timeline, we can set a timeline. Set a timeline, for example, we can say March 2025. If there is a technical assistance, for example, from meal manager, follow-up action, if that is needed, we can actually include that as well. So again, let's come to system assessment. In the system assessment, main structure, function, and capability is good. Reporting requirement is good. Here, reporting, data collection, reporting form, and data management process need improvement. So one of the action point could be improve data management process and data collection and reporting. Improve data collection and data management. Specifically, we can see what is wrong with that by just going to that area, data collection reporting form. Here is one gap. Are all source document reporting form are evaluated relevant for measuring indicator are available and auditing purpose. So during the DQA assessment, one of the reporting form was missing, so we have to actually reinstate that one. You can even further just mention detail of it, and we can actually set an action plan, set as an action plan. So for that we can assign Mr. Y or Mr. Z. Again, we can set timeline. Let's say this is 25th of March. If technical need is required, follow-up action needed, we can write that. So what is the next? System assessment. Yeah, here a data management process. What's missing is we have evaluated a partly. Uh, there was an error during calculation, and so we have to write as correct. For example, correct the report with actual value, something like that. Let's see, in the verification we have seen that we have, for this indicator, the number of area planted is reported 5, data source is indicating 6, under report is so correct the actual values. So report the remaining one, which is 1, in this case 1 hectare, and the next quarter. So that could be one action plan. So for that as well, we have to assign someone, maybe Mr. Z in this case, and the date could be the same, or depending on the nature of the activity. So let's come to data quality standards. So what's wrong with that? So in the areas of standards like accuracy, precision, integrity, and timeless, we need to improve that. So we can just propose an action plan as an aggregate or individually. What's missing in precision, what's missing in integrity, what's missing in timeliness, we can just take the detail from the standards we have discussed. For example, under validity, is there a system in place to review by next level? That is one of the missing element, so we have to fix that one. For example, for integrity, data error were not corrected, and so on. So we can summarize, or we can just detail of it. For the timing, let me actually put it as a detail. For aggregate, precision, integrity, and timeliness need improvement. I can just write like that: improve precision, integrity, and timeliness of the standards. So the good thing is we have to actually come up with data we have already generated. So that's an action plan. So for that again, we can just, this is a sample, but you can actually have uh, dig a bit into it and come up with a action plan that could be actually feasible for that particular condition. So that is it. And the other thing is we can actually add something like, for example, the reporting arrangement, if there is a need for reporting arrangement, if there is a need uh, for example, the filing system of datas. You can add something like that if you like as an action plan. For example, if there is an improvement needed for reporting arrangement or or data filing system, if such things are also needed or as per your finding, you can add those things and just set an action plan. So that is it. You can add follow-up action if in case you need them. So that is it. And from data quality assessment, then you are expected to generate an action plan. Okay, an action plan is needed. Here, for example, organization, we have we can take organization from this one. Oh, it's not working. Just you can write an organization from our system assessment. The organization is global engineering, project name is global engineering, and so on. And the data quality assessment was done on this date, so you can take that here as well. So that is it, and thank you very much, and bye bye.